If you're thinking about buying your first property in Jamaica, there's a lot to be excited about right now. Let's break down what's happening in the market, why it matters, and what smart moves you can make in 2025. Property values across Jamaica from Kingston and St. Andrew to Montego Bay, Portmore, and St. Anne have been climbing at a steady 3 to 5% a year. That's not explosive growth, but it's consistent and it adds up over time. The real difference this summer? Inventory. There are more listings than we've seen in years, which means as a buyer, I've got more choices and way more room to negotiate than before. Now, let's talk money. Average mortgage rates on the open market are around 7.2% for a 30-year fixed loan. That's higher than what you might have heard about in the past, but there's a silver lining, especially if you're a first-time or low to middle income buyer. The National Housing Trust, or NHT, is still running subsidized programs that can get your effective rate below 6%, plus grants to help with that first step. For a lot of people, that's a game changer. But here's the thing. With prices steadily rising, waiting on the sidelines could cost you over 5 or 10 years. You might miss out on tens of thousands in equity gains. And if you're thinking about rental income, locking in a property now gets you today's prices and yields before rents and home values climb even higher. Zooming out, the trends in the US are actually working in buyers' favor too. There are more active listings, less competition, and prices have softened by about 5% since late 2022. But just like here, mortgage rates are sticking around 7.2%, so cash-rich buyers are dominating the luxury end. Over 65% of Manhattan deals are all cash. That's opening up some interesting opportunities if you're well prepared. And one more thing, global reports like the latest from JLL are showing a real shift toward homes with modern amenities, wellness features, and options for seniors. Capital is also flowing into logistics and life science real estate, which could shape where the market heads next. So, what should you do? First, compare commercial mortgage rates with those NHT programs to find the best fit. Second, work with a specialist agent, someone who knows the area you want, like St. Catherine Parish, and can help you structure the deal right. Third, be clear about your goals. Is this place for you to live, rent out, or invest for long-term appreciation? And finally, don't wait too long. With steady price growth and more choices on the market, acting in summer or fall 2025 could mean more equity and higher potential returns. Bottom line, if your finances are in order and your goals are set, this is a rare window of opportunity for first-time buyers in Jamaica. Ready to take the next step? Let's make it happen.